What's up everybody? Welcome back to Tiffany Outdoors. In today's video we are going to start on building a toy box. Stay tuned. There's the hawk. Before there was a Tiffany Outdoors, there was Tiffany the Farmer.
On a U-turn when possible.
No, we're not U-turning.
Hi. Hi, what are you doing? Hi, Boo. What?
So my sister-in-law has asked me to build a toy box for my youngest nephew, Jalen. And right now what they're using is like a Tupperware, a big tub. And they wanted something a little bit nicer. So after my sister-in-law saw the Carolina Panthers DIY man crate that I built for my brother, she asked me if I could build a toy box. So I'm going to attempt to. We'll see how this turns out. So let's get this build started. To start off, I'm going to be using these 1x4x4s. The measurements for the toy box are going to be, it's going to be 43 3/4 inch long, 22 inches wide, and 18 inches high, or as close to 18 inches as I can get with these boards. So I'm going to start off by marking off how many boards it'll take to get the closest amount of 18 inches, and for these it's 5 boards, and I'm going to cut those down to 43 3/4 inches. I have my front and back cut at, it was my mistake, it's 42 3/4 inches long. So I got my 10 boards there. Now my next step is to cut the sides, so I need to cut those at 22 inches. So go get some more wood and cut those down.